Hey, welcome everybody. This is the Costco Samurai. Stop what you're doing. This is breaking news you can't ignore. Costco Japan has unleashed a full pallet of Kirkland Signature Paper Towels, 288 rolls of absorbent glory ready to tackle any mess life throws at you. If you're a parent, a busy professional, or just someone who values preparedness, this is your moment. But act fast. These deals won't last. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share the love. Let's dive into why this mega pack is an absolute game changer. Here we go. Breaking news, everyone, from the hidden corners of Costco Japan online. They're not just selling paper towels, they're dealing in full pallets, baby. That's right, 288 rolls of Kirkland Signature double ply industrial grade fortresses of absorption for a cool 77,980 yen. You're not just buying towels, you're investing in peace of mind, a safety net against every splash, spill, and messy accident that life in the kitchen can throw at you. Think about it. A literal mountain of paper towels stacked high, each one wrapped in handy packs of 3, ready to stash in every corner of your home. This is Costco Japan flexing hard, letting you know that they've got the muscle, the stock, the sheer power to ship you an entire warehouse of cleanup power. And let's be honest, there's a dark, almost rebellious thrill in knowing you've got a Costco-sized answer to life's chaos, all delivered to your doorstep. Is this excessive? Maybe, but in a world where paper towels don't go bad and kitchens don't stay clean, 288 rolls might just be the smartest splurge you can make. Costco Japan, bold, beautiful, and built for the doomsday prepper in all of us. Now let's talk about the sheer utility of these glorious rolls. This isn't just a purchase, it's a lifestyle choice. Imagine the uses: spring cleaning, Sunday barbecues, crafting projects that don't end well, or that long weekend when your toddler gets their hands on a finger painting. These are towels that laugh in the face of spillage. They're perfect for anyone running a small business, a baker pulling double shift, a family managing a home daycare. Picture artists, gardeners, or parents who understand that life is one spill after another. Or maybe that person with a little too much room in their Osaka loft and a go big or go home attitude. And if you're in a home where storage is a stretch, fear not. These beauties are wrapped in compact 3-roll bundles. Slip them under the bed, stack them in the pantry, or keep a few in the car for whatever life throws at you on the road. And heck, you might be able to divvy it up to your neighborhood. Costco Japan is sending a message loud and clear. No one's running out of essentials on their watch. This isn't just a bulk purchase, it's a declaration of independence from the chaos of daily life. So if you got the room and the desire to embrace a little excess, jump on this deal and revel in the power of paper towels. And there you have it, folks. The Costco Samurai has spoken. A full pallet of Kirkland Signature Paper Towels isn't just a bulk buy, it's a declaration of readiness against life's messes. If you're ready to take the plunge and embrace the chaos, this deal is for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more Costco gems, and share this with your fellow savvy shoppers. Until next time, stay stocked, stay smart, and keep that chaos at bay. Bye, bye.